My eyes are watering, but nothing's happening. Fuck. Oh wait, here we go. My nose is not very sensitive, so I feel like I'm gonna have to hit up that fucking cheek again. Okay, that worked this time. Okay. Ugh, my nose is just now. I feel like that actually might be it. Oh, wait. I forgot I wasn't showing my face in this one.